Hi guys, it's Ivy and welcome back to Art and Horses with Ivy. And today I'm going to be painting with nature. So here I have all my supplies here. I just have some leaves, a pine cone, some dandelions, some different kinds of leaves, just a whole bunch of different stuff. So I'm just going to be like with the leaves, I'm going to be like stamping them on my canvas. Sorry you guys if it's hard for you to see this canvas, but yeah, just stamping them on the canvas and then just doing stuff like that. So yeah, before we get started with today's video, if you guys enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys enjoy all my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright, so over here I have my paint palette. Alright, so I'm just going to choose my colors. So I think I'm going to go for purple. Actually, I think I'm going to do, purple, yellow, pink, and green. I think those are some pretty nice colors, so I'm just moving these over so you can see me. And I'm going to start, and I have my trusty paintbrush with me, my trusty kids paintbrush. So I'm just going to, put it in and then paint everything. Okay, so let's get started. So first, I was kind of most excited to do the daisies and dandelions and stuff. So I'm going to do those. So I think I'm going to do some purple. Gosh, it won't come out. It's plugged. Dang. Oh my gosh. Alright, so it took me a while to get it out, but I did it. Okay. So, sorry guys, just moving the camera a little. Okay, so here's my canvas. And first, I don't know why the dandelions died so fast because I just picked them today, but they died really fast. That's okay, whatever. Oh, it has paint stuff all over it. Why does this have paint stuff all over it? Well, whatever. Dipping it in the paint, dabbing off some of the excess, and putting... Okay, this just makes random dabs. Oh, I was hoping for it to look cool. Dang it. Well, whatever. I didn't really know how it was going to look. Well, I guess it looks kind of cool. And I'm just going to do this. Oh yeah, that kind of looks cool. In the middle of my page. Like this. Okay, there we go. So they look okay. And not how I was expecting them to look. For sure, but that's okay. Now I'm going to do the leaf. And for the leaf, I think I'm going to use some green. Actually. Leaf is going to be green. Oh, whoa. That came out fast. Okay. A big old paintbrush. Painting the back of the leaf just to give it a cooler effect. If I paint the back, it will give it a cool effect. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to have to actually use more paint than I was thinking, so I am going to need more green paint. Okay, there we go. Wow. Put a little much green paint in there right now, but whatever. Lots of green paint on my leaf. Okay. Okay. So I painted my leaf. I don't know if you can tell, but I painted it green. Just stamping it just thought this would look cool. So hopefully I'm right. Oh yeah, that looks cool. Super cool. You can see the veins of the leaf and stuff. It's really cool. Doing one more over here with less paint on it. So that looks super cool. Actually, I'm really happy with it so far. The leaf stamps turned out really well. All right, now I'm going to do the pine cone. I'm going to do the pine cone in purple too, I think. Purple and green, maybe? Oh, wow, there's a lot of green. Actually, oh. Need more purple. To do it in purple and green, need more purple. Okay, so I'm just kind of putting it on there. And then just setting my pine cone on and kind of like rolling it around, trying to make a little bit of a pattern. Okay. This looks super cool. It's kind of like, I'm gonna need a little bit actually. Kind of like a cheetah print or something. Looks so cool, like right there. Oops, I just put a smudgy paint on it. Well, anyway, super cool. I like it. Okay. Now I have this little guy to do. I'm going to do this one with pink paint because I'm feeling in a pink mood. What was I painting? Oh yeah, I forgot what I was painting for a sec. Oops. I'm sorry. Camera fell. Sorry about that. Just putting a little paint on it. Gives that pattern. Okay. Putting on, I think this is gonna look cool. Let's hope. Okay. I think I need a little bit more paint, but that looks okay. Can you see that? Up in the corner. Right there. Gotta paint it again. Sorry if you guys can't see it good. I don't have any special thing to hold my camera up or anything, so you guys might not be seeing it so good, but here we go. Oops. Whoops. Here we go. Okay. There we go. This is kind of just like an experiment. That looks pretty cool. Pink in the corner right there. It's cool. My fingers are all pinky. Okay. Then last but not least, we have this little floppy majigger leaf, which we're going to dip in green, purple, and pink and smear it all around. And then stamp, stamp, stamp. that looks cool. Okay. So here's how my leaf print turned out way up here. So I think this turned out super good. And yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!